open this eggie and it's look on the eggie. Okay, it has like two sides that we could use. Yep, let's try to get it. Yeah, he only kind of matched your dress a little bit. Oh yeah, I remember I got this dress last time. Did you? Yeah, and this kind of matches your dress. Yeah, but and I remember I got this one at Target. Did you? Yeah. Oh, okay, let's get the eggie open. Eggie, okay. Now we're just gonna sip. Okay. So here's the eggie now. We're gonna open it. Look at all this. Look at
Ooh.
Look at
Nice.
Do you like it, Daddy?
Yeah, those look pretty.
We gotta make it. So we gotta use these eggies. Yep, but let's leave them clean. So you gotta put them in the bowl. Yep, and guys, we did the golden slime video. Do you wanna see it? Yeah. Now we're just going to we need a bowl. I'm gonna like mix it. So I'll go get the bowl. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we're gonna open it. Yeah, it's kind of squishy. Okay. Yeah, I can't even see. Here, let me help you. Yeah, thank you. You're the best, I know. Look at us, guys. It's okay. Look at me. Hey, it kind of matches. Cool.
They match you, blue and green.
Blue and green. Oh.
So squishy putty.
Let me see how it smells. It smells like strawberry vanilla.
Really?
Yeah, really. Oh, it's a little bit. Look at it. Kind of looks like shiny, golden. Whoa, guys, look at this. It's so squishy and squish, squish, squish. Look at the blue one. Let's see how it smells. Sometimes it smells like different. It smells like blueberry, strawberry. Hey, watch this, guys. Stick my feet. Look at my feet. Elsie, yeah. That's so cool. You can make your feet out of that. Yeah. Then try to make my feet out of the green. I'm gonna step it in. Step. And make my feet too, Elsie, yeah. Let me see. That's so funny. Look at our feet. Big, big, biggy, biggy, biggy. Squish, squish, squish. Hey, yeah. Do you want to stretch all? Do you want to make more? Yeah, I'm going to make one. Make one squish. Look at it. Huh? Whoa, that's so cool, Elsie. Yeah. I want to do one. Let's just stretch. Yeah. Look at that! Oh, it doesn't stretch on the way. Okay. There! Look at our footprints. I know, footy footprints. Let's start playing with it, okay? Hey, I got a good idea on you. Let's mix the colors. Good idea! Look, let's do it. Yeah, we're do it with the green. And we're gonna mix it. Ooh, look at this, guys. We made it, but a little bit blue there. Let's make our colors. I'm gonna squish. Look at my footprints. Ooh, it looks like climbing. Ooh, it looks like putty. Ooh. Look at. Okay, let's like do this. Da da da.
Oh, that's pretty.
Thank you.
I really like that one.
Okay, now I'm gonna put these. Hey, Anya, do you know what I'm making now? I'm making a pepperoni pizza. Say, laugh, laugh. Oh, is it funny, Crystal?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put more, put more, put more.
So this is gonna be a so squishy putty pizza.
Yep.
Well, yummy.
Stick, sticky, 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 stick, stick, stick. Let me just stick it again. Stick, sticky, sticky, sticky. It's so sticky, stick, stick. I love all of the sticks. Hey, Anya, feel the camera. It feels soft like that. Let me check. Oh, yes. Hey, I'll see ya. Yeah, let's try to do more of them. Let's do more. Let's press down, press down. Let's put a more green. Let's get this up. Now put it there. Let's make the plate, okay? Yeah, it's stuck on me. Guys, do you want to sing a song? Like a real song?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna press it on. I can't do that. Anya, help! Ow! I turned the radio on. Dun 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 dun. Whoa! Look at the squishy. Woo! Squish! Ah! The music came off. Oh, do you wanna watch? Hi, I'm Sydney Dewey. Okay. Let's make the slimy thing. Okay. Now I'm just gonna rub it, and you know what I'm gonna make? Elsa? Yeah, I'm making a donut. A donut? Yeah, I'm making a donut. Maybe just make a hole. How about this? And make a hole. There. Let me just do a flap. There, look at that. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little sprinkle touch. You'll see, guys. Let's spread it open. Spread, spread, spready, spread, spread. It's like I'm going to use green now. I like the green color because we mixed it together, and that's really fun. Let's do all the sprinkle touch. You wait and see. How could I do this? Okay. Hey, Elsie. Yeah. Do you want to put our hand? Yeah, let's put our hand. Don't do that yet. Did my hand make it? Yay! Let me see. Oh, yep. Hey, I'm gonna make something. Yeah. You wait and see. I will just hide it. Okay, I'm gonna hide it. Okay. Well, Elsie is doing that. I know what I'm gonna do. That's something trouble, but you know what? I'm gonna play with the putty until then. Oh, I can see it. Oh, no. Can't do that yet. Okay, maybe she's eating it. Nah. Okay, let me just take a little clay out of it and get it out. Get it. Yeah, there. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm making an apple. Maybe just make the plant on it. Yeah, there. Now I'm gonna put it on it right here. There, like there. There, I made the apple. Yeah, I made the apple. I made an apple. I made an apple. Look, look, Elsa. What is it? Look, I made an apple. Cool. I want to see your things too. Hold on, gotta make it. So it's going to be green. She's going to be so surprised I made something and I like it. Is that why you're doing that? Now I'm going to draw the pants. The pants are going to be green. So I just got to do this. Like that. Yeah. And I'm going to put it on it. I'm going to put some dots on it. Okay. Now let me see. Let me just see this a little bit more. There. Let me get it. Look on the, let me see. Oh. The watermelon. The watermelon. I know why your apple looks so funny. I don't know. I like it. What about, look at this. Wow. That's so pretty. I'm gonna go make some. This is so funny. Look at this birdie. Okay. What happened to my What happened to my people? No! Onions on your phone! Look what happened! I hope you guys go enjoy this video and make sure you like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments what thing would you like. We're gonna post another video soon, and if you want to see us we're gonna go on a vacation. If you want to see that video, just click on the subscribe button and watch more Anya and Elsa. You want to see Donnie and Elsa? Anya, Elsa. Woo! Peace, guys.